All right, so let's do exercise 4 in test 2 part 1. So it's saying an object moved from point A to point B. So it's traveling in this direction. And it's saying A, what is the work done by the normal force? Now, the normal force is always perpendicular to the displacement. Since it's perpendicular to the displacement, no projection of work will occur. So work is 0. All right, so for part B, they're asking us to figure out the work done by the force. So to figure this out, we just gonna have to use, again, what we got for part A. Work is 0 plus what equation is asking us, mg of the displacement of y minus y2. So our, okay, 5%. So our work, yes, so this will be our work done for B. All right, so let's go on to part C. Part C says, what is the speed at point B? So now we could apply the net work, which is going to be the displacement. And we're going to be mg because of the work of y1 minus y2 equals, we know the kinet. So it's going to be mv2 and it squared minus mv1 squared. Now, if our y is 0, then mg y1 equals 1/2 mv squared minus the same mv1 squared. Now, if our velocity is 0, this is for 2. If velocity, it'll be mg y1 equals 1/2 mv squared. So when we rearrange all of this, we get v squared, real final minus n squared over 2 gravity y1, which just comes out to v equals 2g1y. So this will be our equation to figure out the speed at point B.